Unwanted guests. Understanding infestation problem. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound a bit unsettling but is very useful to know. Infestation problem. Whether you're reading a book, watching a movie, or even looking into real estate, knowing what this phrase means can help you better understand the context. So, let's explore what it means, examples of how it's used, and why it's important to recognize the signs early on. An infestation problem refers to a situation where pests, such as insects, rodents, or other unwanted animals, have entered a space like a home, garden, or building, and have multiplied to the point where they are causing harm or nuisance. These pests can range from ants, bedbugs, and termites to mice, rats, and even larger wildlife in some cases. The key components of this phrase are infestation, indicating a large number of pests, and problem, showing that their presence is harmful or undesirable. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at a few examples. Ants taking over a kitchen, finding their way to any open food sources. Termites damaging the wooden structures of a house, potentially weakening its foundation. Mice or rats nesting within the walls of homes, causing damage to wires and spreading diseases. Understanding these examples can help you identify if you're facing an infestation problem in your own space. Ignoring an infestation problem can lead to severe consequences, including health risks, property damage, and costly repairs. Pests like rodents and cockroaches can carry diseases, while termites can cause significant structural damage to buildings. Moreover, the longer an infestation goes untreated, the more difficult and expensive it becomes to resolve. That's why recognizing the signs early and taking action is crucial. So, what should you do if you encounter an infestation problem? The first step is to identify the pest. Understanding what you're dealing with can help you determine the best course of action, whether it's DIY solutions or calling in professionals. Preventive measures, such as sealing cracks, maintaining cleanliness, and storing food properly, can also be effective in preventing future infestations. We hope this video has shed some light on what infestation problem means and how to deal with it. Remember, recognizing the signs early and taking swift action can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more useful English language tips and explanations.